In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Canva Pro. If you're no longer using your premium plan or you simply want to cut back on recurring software costs, Canva makes the process fairly straightforward once you know where to look. The important thing is to access the correct account area because the cancellation controls are not located inside the design editor itself. I'll walk you through exactly where to go so you can cancel with confidence and avoid any surprise charges. To get started, open your web browser, go to Canva, and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're on the main Canva homepage or dashboard, look to the top right area of the screen. Near the Create a Design button, you'll see the settings icon. Click that to open your main account settings. After that, focus on the left-hand sidebar menu. This is where Canva keeps your account management options. Scroll through the list until you find Billing and Plans, then click on it. When this page loads, you'll be able to see your plan details, payment information, and other billing-related settings. This is the section you need for any subscription changes. Now look near the top of the Billing and Plans page for your current subscription card. If you're on Canva Pro, it should clearly show that plan. On the right side of that section, look for either the three-dot menu or a Change Settings option. Click it once to open the available subscription actions. From the menu that appears, choose Cancel Subscription. Canva will then open a confirmation window to guide you through the cancellation process. In some cases, you may see an option to pause your subscription instead of ending it completely. That can be useful if you think you might return to Canva Pro later. But if your goal is to fully cancel, go ahead and continue with the cancellation option. Canva may also ask you to choose a reason for leaving before you confirm the final action. Once you've completed that final confirmation, return to the Billing and Plans page and check your subscription status carefully. You should now see a message explaining that your plan will end on a specific date. This is an important detail because it means your cancellation has gone through successfully, but you'll still keep access to Canva Pro features until the end of your current billing period. And that's it. By checking that status message, you can be sure your account is set to return to the free plan without another renewal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.